I wish I may, I wish I might have the wish I wish tonight.
Wee Willie Winky runs through the town. Upstairs and downstairs. In his nightgown. Rapping at the window, crying through the lock. Are the children in their beds? For now, it's 8 o'clock.
Diddle, diddle, dumpling, my son John went to bed with his trousers on. One shoe off, the other shoe on. Diddle, diddle, dumpling, my son John.
Rock-a-bye, baby, in the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall, and down will come baby. Cradle and all. Didn't get Clarence the Goose to come down.
I'm sorry, Mother Goose.
Now, you all tried your very best, and I thank you very much. I guess the children at the library will just have to wait until tomorrow for my book.
I don't think so.
Why's that, Derek?
Because I have a really big idea about how we can catch Clarence, but we'll all have to work together.
Okay. What's your plan?
Okay, Sean, start honking like you did in the classroom, and we'll do the rest.
Okay. Honk, 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 honk.
Honk, honk.
Honk, honk.
Honk, honk.
Honk, honk. Honk. It's working. Okay, man, it's your turn.
Hi, Clarence. I'm a goose, too.
Okay, Julie, now you go.
Oh, this is great.
Oh, look. Here's the little girl that brings breadcrumbs for the geese. La, 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 la. Look at all this good goose food. Yummy. I think I'll leave the rest of these breadcrumbs right here.
Okay, Barney, do your thing.
Okay. Hey, look up there.
Clarence, we've been looking for you all day. Now, I really must be going up. I'm going to get to the library with this book. And I could not have done it without all your help. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome anytime.
And thank you, Barney.
Oh, we were glad to help, Mother Goose.
And we had lots of fun with your book today.
Oh, we sure did.
Well, with all the fun we had today with just one book, think of all the fun in a whole library full of books.
Wow. I can't wait to get to the library.
And I can't wait either. I've got to go. But you'll always know where to find me. Remember, I'm in the book. Come on, you silly goose.
There she goes.
Barney, I just love meeting your friends.
Oh, and I love all of you. I love you, you love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? I love you, you love me. We're best friends like friends should be.
with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say